Christian, a Hindu, an atheist, a Jain, a Buddhist, and a Muslim, and a Jew. And he knows he shouldn't kill, and he knows he always will kill you for me, my friend, and me for you. And he's fighting for Palestine, he's fighting for Israel, and he's fighting for the USA. And he's fighting for the Russians, and he's fighting for Iraq, and he thinks we'll put an end to war this way. And he's fighting for democracy, he's fighting for his soil. He says it's for the peace of all. He's the one who must decide who's to live and who's to die. And he never sees the writing on the wall. But without him, how would Hitler have condemned him at Dachau? Without him, Caesar would have stood alone. He's the one who gives his body as a weapon of the war. And without him, all this killing can't go on. No.
Created using Powtoon.